Hi all. So our next topic is Peninsular Plateau. Where is Peninsular Plateau lies? It lies in the south of the northern plains. It is very much clear in the map. You see in the map, it is lies the orange portion. फोटो थोड़ा सा ये हो गया है. It is lies in the southern portion of the northern plains, and the shape of the peninsular plateau is irregular triangular shape. Clear? Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest range of the world. Now where is Aravalli Hills? It is Narmada river, and here is the Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, it is one of the oldest range which situated in the Peninsular Plateau. You will show a video on Peninsular Plateau also. It is the oldest landmass of India. सबसे पुराना लैंडमास है इंडिया का द पेनिनसुलर प्लेटू. बॉर्डर विथ वेस्टर्न घाट्स in the west side and eastern ghats in the eastern sides. Border with western ghats in the western sides and eastern ghats in the eastern sides. Now, I repeat, it consists of two main parts. Peninsular Plateau is divided into two parts. One is Central Highlands and another is Deccan Plateau. One is Central Highlands and another is Deccan Plateau. Now where is Central Highlands? Central Highlands. You see in your book also, the page number 145, the classification of Peninsular Plateau. Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands lies to the northern plains की just southern portion. Clear? Northern plains की just southern portion lies in the Central Highlands, and Central Highlands further divided into two parts. One is Malwa Plateau and another is Chutnagpur Plateau. In Malwa Plateau, हमारे मध्य प्रदेश, इंदौर लाइज इन मालवा प्लेटू है ना. जो एरिया है ये एरिया पूरी मालवा प्लेटू में है. विंध्या माउंटेन्स, Aravalli range are coming in the Malwa Plateau. Chambal and Betua are the two main rivers that originates means formation होते हैं, originates in the Vindhya range and join to the Yamuna river. So Chambal and Betua, these are two tributaries rivers of Yamuna. Clear? River Narmada and Tapi flow westwards and drain into Arabian Sea. You see in the map, Narmada and Tapi, and these drain again eastward की तरफ जाके Arabian Sea में drain होते हैं. मतलब it meets with Arabian Sea. And Central Highlands further divided into Chutnagpur Plateau. And Chutnagpur Plateau lies in the east of the Malwa Plateau. मालवा प्लेटू के ईस्टर्न पोर्शन में जो प्लेटू है, दिस प्लेटू इज चिटनागपुर प्लेटू. And Chatnagpur Plateau के important rivers are Subarnarekha and Damodar rivers. Clear? Subarnarekha and Damodar rivers, these are the important rivers of the Chatnagpur Plateau. Chatnagpur Plateau is very important for rich in minerals like iron ore, coal and limestone. Clear? The another portion of the peninsular plateau is Deccan Plateau, and Deccan Plateau lies in the southern portion of the Narmada river. A large part of the plateau is made up of volcanic rock. After cooling and solidification of the volcano lava, this plateau is made, and Deccan Plateau is rich in the black soil. This region is rich deposit of minerals like coal and iron ore. Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. A lies also consist in the Deccan Plateau. Eastern Ghats straits from the, again repeat, Eastern Ghats states from the Gujarat to Kanyakumari. Here is a Gujarat and the lower down is Kanyakumari. And Kanyakumari is the southernmost point of South India. South के सबसे southernmost point is Kanyakumari. And Eastern Ghats run across West Bengal, started from the West Bengal, then Orissa, then Andhra Pradesh, and merge within the Nilgiri hills. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the major rivers that flows eastwards across the Deccan Plateau. Clear? The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. They are the major rivers of the Deccan Plateau, and they flow from the Western Ghats to the Bay of Bengal. Clear? Next, Anaimuri. It is the most important. The Anaimuri is the highest peak of South India. The range of the Anaimuri is 2695 meter. The Anaimuri is the highest peak of the South India. This already explained the important rivers of the peninsular plateau: Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Narmada and Tapi flow towards drain into Arabian Sea. It is a very important thing कि जिस साइड से originate हो रहे उसी साइड पे आके हम दोनों rivers drain हो रहे. And Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, they are east flowing rivers and drain into Bay of Bengal. Clear? So this is the whole portion of the peninsular plateau. Now in my next explanation video, we will read about the Thar or the Great Indian Desert. Thank you.